What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. All right, guys, 2004 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter. I love his license plate. Look at that. America! Factory converter up there, right there. Second converter there. Then what we did, true dueled it all the way back. It was fun to do. As you guys can see, it is stuffed in there. Look at that. But here at Exhaust Addicts, our guys know what they're doing. They get it done. No problems, no issues. And it keeps going and going and going. Out the back. Look at that on each side. As you guys can see, looks really nice, really clean. Clears everything. And then it's got those angle cut 3.5 by 18s there and right there. Stainless steel tips. Complete the look. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner. There's what it had on it, single. That's where it widened into a single right there. And they ran single all the way back. And then there's a tailpipe all the way to the tip. Right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, so he brought the truck back. It was way too loud for him. So the guys at Exhaust Addicts said, we got you, we'll take the clap out. So they're welding up a double X pipe for him to take all the rasp out. He's doing what he does best. Very nice. Double Helix. All right, guys, so round two on this Dakota 4.7 liter. Let me show you guys what we did. I showed you a little bit of it, but I'll show you the whole job now. Factory converter, true duels out the back, and then we cut where the straight pipes were and added 2 X pipes for a double Helix effect. Right there. And what that does, it actually makes all the exhaust scavenge or the clap go away. So you guys can see it's really nice, really clean. Double X pipe. Takes the play, keeps the sound the same, but just takes the clap away, gives it a deeper, nicer tone. And then 2 1/4 out the back on each side, there and there, into the 3-inch angle cut tips or 3.5-inch angle cut tips by 18, right there. And right there, stainless steel. There she is, right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. True dual straight pipes. Dakota. Wow, that sucker's loud, bro. Exhaust Addicts touch. Again. Right at 115. Yeah, 115. That's awesome. That's crazy how loud it is. Good looking truck, dude. It's almost a 20-year-old truck now. Wow. That's insane. I love it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Dakota. So they took the Ram out of the Dodge Ram, but they kept the Dodge Dakota. Better? Yeah. I like it. It sounds so much cleaner. Your sound decibels? Right at 112. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Do you like a true straight pipe or double X pipe? Let me know in the comments, guys, okay? sounds mean. I like it. Yeah, it took all the rasp out. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Dakota. Loud, 4.7 liter. Wow. FedEx, get out of the way. You can still hear it. Jeez. Yeah, way better. Sorry for the traffic, guys.